Welcome to Ramcorp Wire and Cable. Today we are taking a look at direct burial cable. When it comes to electrical installations, choosing the right type of cable is crucial. One specific type of cable that is often used in outdoor installations is direct burial cable. Direct burial cable is designed to be buried directly in the ground without the need for a conduit. In this article, we will explore what direct burial cable is, its advantages, key factors to consider when choosing one, the different types available, and common problems and solutions associated with it. Direct burial cable is a type of electrical cable specifically designed for outdoor and underground applications. Unlike traditional cables that require a conduit for protection, direct burial cables are designed to be resistant to moisture, sunlight, and other environmental factors. This makes them ideal for use in landscaping projects, outdoor lighting, and other applications where burying the cable directly in the ground is necessary. Direct burial cables consist of multiple conductors surrounded by a protective insulation layer. The insulation is typically made from polyethylene or PVC nylon, which provides excellent resistance to water, chemicals, and temperature variations. These cables are also designed to withstand higher levels of mechanical stress compared to other types of cables, ensuring durability and reliability even in harsh underground conditions. There are several advantages to using direct burial cable. First of all, there is no need to install a conduit, which can save both labor and material costs. Another advantage is the enhanced protection against moisture and environmental elements. Direct burial cables are designed to endure underground conditions such as moisture, UV radiation, and temperature changes. These can offer resistance to mechanical damage, withstand pressure, and stress. When selecting the right direct burial cable for your project, there are several key factors to consider. Firstly, you need to determine the appropriate gauge size. The gauge size of the cable will depend on the amount of current the cable needs to carry and the distance it needs to travel. It is important to consult with a professional electrician or refer to the National Electrical Code (NEC) to ensure compliance with safety regulations. Another important consideration is the voltage rating of the cable. Direct burial cables come in different voltage ratings, and it is essential to select a cable that is compatible with the voltage requirements of your project. Choosing a cable with the wrong voltage rating can lead to safety hazards and damage to the electrical system. Direct burial cables are a reliable and efficient solution for outdoor and underground electrical installations. By selecting the right cable and taking proper precautions, you can ensure a safe and durable electrical connection for your outdoor projects. For more information on pricing and ordering, please contact the Ramcorp Wire and Cable team for friendly and professional assistance. Shop at ramcorpwire.com for all your wire and cable needs. Ramcorp, where you can buy cables for every environment.